to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. So if you want to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, if you're having your Android or if you're having your iPhone, you'll have the same steps. First of all, you need to head over to your WhatsApp application and then click on the settings. Go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then go with settings. Now, here at the bottom, you'll find an option of chats. You need to tap on chats. And from the chats, you need to scroll down again and you will find an option of chat backup. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to see the backup process begin. You can tap on backup option right here and it will begin. So simply wait for it to get completed. Once done, you can head over and open up your Google Drive in which you've backed up. Search for Drive and then go with the drive where you've backed up. After that, go with the three horizontal lines, which will be on the top left. And then you're going to click on settings. And here you'll be able to see the backup option. Click on backup and log in with your Google account and you're good to go. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.